The 2015 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on-off switch, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, pass-through rear seat, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.